is kind of even undergirds that initial philosophy and pedagogy.
Now, Jeanette has requested that we have a little bit of a conversation as to what you guys would like to accomplish with the teachers in the communities that are engaged in your initiative. So,
So John asked another question, and while others are thinking about that last question, um, has your approach so far been focused on district-wide engagement, individual schools, or a teacher-based cohort? Yes. It's been all of them. As far as the work I've been doing in Texas, it's been driven by small academies mainly, STEM academies within Texas. Our work in North Carolina has been whole district, from central office down to individual schools and then individual teachers. So it's one of those areas where, again, the framework, we've been challenged to see if it could work at different levels with different audiences. We're working with central office personnel. We're working with part of this. We've turned into a coaching certification. So there's mentorship and coaching opportunities at every level that we use. The same standards of instruction as actually a learning model as well. So yes. So is there anybody out there who are on that want to share? Do you have any um, goals or vision of what you're wanting to accomplish with teachers? If you're doing that already, what does that look like? How could this possibly expand it?
I can go. I'm Lori. I'm from Maine EPSCoR, and I do all of our K to 20 STEM programming throughout the state. I'm currently engaged with teachers. I've been designing curriculum with our cooperative extension office, and there are hands-on toolkits that relate directly to the research that we're doing, and we partner with faculty and graduate students to incorporate their research findings into the lessons. And then we've been training teachers across the state with those toolkits, and we're finding that the K to 5 group in the state does not have a lot of access to science curriculum, and that most of the curriculum in the state of Maine that's made place-based is for middle school or high school teachers. So I'm currently looking to try to expand more targeted curriculum for that K to 5 space in the state, because it's the piece that needs the most attention according to all the survey work that we've done.
Sure.
So that's why I've joined the call to hear about the program that you were doing.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have some great resources, K-5. Actually, some of our biggest implementers are elementary teachers, and especially in that area, what you're talking about in Texas, it's huge. In Texas, science isn't tested until fifth grade, which means it really isn't even taught until after the writing test in fourth grade. Um, and so we have some challenges there as well. And then being in North Carolina, it's the same things. They have resources, but it seems like a lot of the resources are dated. Um, and so with this program, we've not only been able to provide, not resources that can hit every single standard that they cover, but enough resources K-5 to be able to really provide some opportunities for teachers to leverage either what's already there and revise it to meet their needs and their expectations within their content area. And so that idea of getting them involved in the curriculum process and the development process is huge, because that's our big piece of sustainability. Not only for them to be able to coach themselves and kind of look at what just happened in their classroom and say, hey, I need to fix this or fix that, but also looking at ways to initially design learning experiences that are inquiry based on our framework. And so this is huge because they can pull, there's resources all over the place. And so they just Google a content term and find resources and all of a sudden implement it. And so that's not working. So we need to give them some kind of framework to look at these resources that they get and kind of change them or revise them to be inquiry based as we define it. So thanks for your you're doing a lot there in Maine. I'd like to see some of those kits.
We post them online. We're getting ready to post them, and we're going to be out at the National Science Teachers Association meeting in Los Angeles presenting.
Oh, fantastic.